Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday video. This week I have two different kind of St. Patrick's Day themed nails to show you. The first one is a bit of a marbling plus a stamp, and then the second one is a chrome and a stamp. It's just a little bit of a different technique in doing the chrome and stamping. So starting off with the first look here, I have the color Jump Up in Jade from the new spring collection from Light Elegance. And I'm just using my cleanup brush from Uber Chic to apply 2 coats. And before I cure my second coat, I'm going to take my metallic gold buttercream and my swirly brush, and I'm just going to make a little bit of a swirly design through the green paint. So it's kind of marbling, but I'm more just sort of drawing some swirls in. Then once you're happy with the way that looks, you can give it a full cure. So I've done a 60-second cure in LED. It would be 2 minutes in UV. And I'm giving that a quick cleanse with some after wipe. And then I'm going to take the mini St. Patrick's Day plate from Uber Chic. And I'm using this kind of negative space shamrock design here. And the color Brave Inside from Caption. And I'm just going to pick that up and stamp it onto the nail as I normally would. I am using the extra large clear stamper from Uber Chic for this. And then for my second look, I'm going to start with a base of black tie. So I'm doing 2 coats of that, curing in between. And then I am going to give that a full cure. So that's going to be 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And I'm going to take my top gloss and apply a thin coat over the whole nail, making sure I really get all of those edges. And with top gloss, I do about a 18-second cure in LED and about a 45 to 50-second cure in UV. Now that my top gloss has cured enough just to chrome, I'm going to stamp this design on with my Conad black polish. And then taking a eyeshadow brush, and I did find that the eyeshadow brush was better for this technique than the silicone brush to chrome, just because you don't have to use quite as much pressure and you won't rub your stamp off if you use the eyeshadow brush. But just chroming that like you normally would. And then I'm going to finish both of these looks off with some Super Shiny Today. Giving that a full cure, that's 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And then a quick wipe, and that is it. So 2 different kind of St. Patrick's Day looks, depending what kind of style your client has, if she wants to do green or wants more of a gold. But there's lots of really awesome stamps on this little plate as well. I think it's a really great plate to have in your arsenal. Thank you again for always watching our videos, subscribing to our YouTube, and liking and sharing everything that we do. You can also support us by liking us on Facebook or following us on Instagram. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below.